You might think my weekend at the University of Kentucky would have consisted of harmless grilling out, perhaps even mingling with some badass fans. What really could happen? I started to think, maybe the crowd's taking it a little too far. Nothing quite says, "Yay, we beat Georgia," more than vandalizing your own field. I mean, I especially like that guy who's riding on top of the goalpost. I mean, does he really think that's going to keep him out of trouble? At the end of the day, I mean, who really cares? University of Kentucky doesn't get too many wins anyways. Why not let him celebrate? That was my Saturday, and these are my thoughts.